In this guide, I'm going to show you where to start if you are new to WhatsApp, and we're going over a full beginner guide. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But here's all the basics of WhatsApp. Obviously, first you can download WhatsApp from an App Store or Google Play Store. And to sign up for it, you do need to use your phone number. And once you do use your phone number and you get verified, you can actually add contacts to your WhatsApp simply by having their numbers in your phone. WhatsApp's going to automatically detect who exactly is on the app. Now, to start chatting, simply tap on the chat button down at the bottom and select this plus icon to start a new chat where you can create a new group. You can add a new contact, a new community. You can even chat with AIs as well as start a broadcast. It's completely up to you. There's so many different options. But in every single individual chat, you can not only hit this little plus icon to show photos, take pictures, create polls, documents, events, AI images, and share contacts and locations. But you can also click on this little sticker icon to send custom stickers, just like so. You can also make free voice and video chats by tapping the phone icon or the camera icon up in the top right corner of your chat and post status updates similar to Instagram stories. There's so much that you can do on WhatsApp, but that is the basics of it. For more in-depth tutorials, check out some of the other WhatsApp guides that we actually dropped on the channel today. But before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.